Hey friends, today we're talking about Buick Enclaves that have a check engine light on and a code P0496. This is a pretty popular vehicle, and the ones with the 3.6 V6 have a canister purge solenoid on the engine that fails pretty frequently and causes this code P0496, and also it can cause hard starting. The good news is this purge solenoid is a cheap part to replace, and it's simple to replace. It's only got one bolt holding it to the engine, and it is very easy to service. So you basically unplug it, disconnect the vapor line off of it, undo the one bolt to take it off, and you do the reverse procedure to install it. Very simple. And once you're done doing that, what you'll want to do then is clear the trouble code. And so you can shut off your check engine light. And that's easily done with one of these pocket scanners that you can get for less than 40 bucks on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description if you want to get one. There's also a link in the description for the Purge solenoid if you decide you want to get one of those from Amazon as well. So let's get your Buick Enclave running good again. Let's get rid of that trouble code. The good news is it's a cheap fix. It's an easy fix. You can do this without having to go to the dealer. Thanks for tuning in. Have a great day.